Hey guys, today we're making 5 dairy delights in one go, because why stop at curd when you can go full yogurt scientist? We're using the Lakeland Yogurt Maker, and by the end of this video, you'll never want to buy store-bought yogurt again. So buckle up and let's get milky. First up, let's warm 2 liters of milk, not boiling, just warm. Think of cozy sweater weather for milk. Now, let's give our milk a glow up. 5 tablespoons of milk powder to make it rich and creamy, because who wants basic yogurt when you can have luxury level creaminess? This is the curd starter, aka the magic ingredient. It's like introducing milk to its cool older cousin who knows how to turn it into yogurt. Pour it in gently, because we're making yogurt, not a milk tsunami. This is the moment where science meets deliciousness. Just smooth pouring, no splashes, unless you want your counter to get a milk bath. Give it a quick mix to make sure everything's blending together like a team huddle before the big game. Time to press some buttons like a yogurt DJ. Set to 42 degrees Celsius or 107.6 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 hours. Hit start and boom, you've unlocked the dairy magic level. Now place the container, close both lids, and let the yogurt maker do its thing. Go binge watch a show, take a nap, or just stare at it dramatically. And just like that, your silky smooth homemade curd is ready. No preservatives, no weird ingredients, just pure homemade goodness. And now, let's level up. Greek yogurt time. Place a strainer over a bowl and pour in the curd. Let it chill in the fridge for about 3 hours. It's like sending it to a yogurt spa retreat. Three hours later, your Greek yogurt is done, but if you leave it overnight, it becomes Labaneh, aka the creamiest spread. Alright guys, now it's time to make some Labaneh, the Middle Eastern superstar. You're gonna take the hung curd and whisk it up. Add some za'atar, it's also called thyme, chopped olives, salt, green chilies, and a drizzle of olive oil. Trust me, this is next level deliciousness. This with pita bread, chef's kiss. Try it on toast, bagels, or just a spoon, no judgment. Now, let's make every Arab kid's favorite drink, Laban. Take 3 to 5 tablespoons of hung curd, add ice cold water, a pinch of salt, and for a health boost, use the leftover whey, cause why not? Your gut will thank you later anyway. Give it a good mix and shake it like it owes you some money. Pour into a glass and enjoy the coolest, creamiest, and refreshing Laban ever. Trust me, this is better than any store-bought version. Next up, chas. It's basically spicy buttermilk with an attitude. You're going to take 2 tablespoons of hung curd and mix it with ice cold water. Add some cumin, black pepper, black salt, chaat masala, coriander, mint, and green chilies. Mix it up. This is where the flavors come alive. Now for the final touch of genius, a sizzling mustard seed and curry leaf tempering. This smells so good. One sip and you'll instantly feel refreshed, plus your tummy will thank you later for this one. Alright, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because next time we're making something even crazier. Stay tuned. Okay, cool, bye!